So alright my people, welcome back. I want to say big up to all of the supporters them every time. Yeah, enough respect to the people that might support the thing, you know. Alright my people, so come in, clean up the little apartment at Jacama, prim grippy out. You know, we get a start in the evening. So yeah. Run some time in the evening if you try to move over some things, yeah. Yeah, the place kind of small still, so I want to go down in the bedroom. Yeah, so it's a 1-bedroom apartment. So this is how it look like. Yeah, the bathroom. So this is the bedroom. So you know, so in here, so we have to do everything. So the mixing are going in here, so same way, so you know, we have to take a little time and work our way in, get some of the things then back out, yeah, and pack up all our work and pack up on the side. So this is our reach so far. As I say, we try to run some tile so we can move over some things. So yeah, so we are going to do that morning, you know. Like I say, if we can knock out this, go down in the bedroom. Yeah. See as much as we can get out of it today, you know, for as I said, the things I mean the same way. So like we can just go through. So we have to take our time and go through and see how best we can work it out. So that we are dealing with, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so then we're going to mix some things set, you know, before we get a start. Yeah. So this with the pan. So that's the bathroom. So alright my people, so we stay an idea. Yeah, so we cover off down this so. We'll make our way in here so you know. I say if we can go in the bathroom, get some tile down in the room, you know. Yeah, so that's how we work our way in. Yeah. I'm going in the bathroom. Yeah, so Tyler run out of the place. We have the row we have to go in, round to the corner, you know. So you know we have to wait till the Tyler dry before we make that move there. So yeah, take time to go on. So as I said, we'll grow out up that little part if you kind of move over some of the things. Yeah. So yes, my people, they are upon the work. You know, try to give 110% at all times. And make work look nice. Yeah. So alright my people, so with the pony. Yeah, so we have some growth in the morning at the same time. So close up the little part, yeah. Get it growth off. Yeah, so as you can see, some 24 by 24. So we kind of finished with the area now. So around so bathroom done too. So we just have the wall to deal with. Yeah, so we have then a couple of tubes of tile so we drop in same way, right at the doorway. You can see the bathroom floor close off. So we have a couple of PC now so we drop in same way. So them we're going to tackle you now. We'll get them out of the way. Yeah. All of them pieces there. And then you know, so this close off. So next focus, as I say, the bathroom. Yeah, so don't have to go and do anything. Yeah, so we'll move out everything you know. Yeah, put the knife up in here. That's what we can get to deal with the bathroom. So we have a cement board up and thing. So as I say, everything I have to pack up out there, so. For the food. Get everything out there, so. Yeah, so as I say, the focus, I have to pack up everything out there, so. Free up the place, that's what we can get to move on. So as we go along, we have to take time and grow out same way. You know, we can't wait till everything finished because we have to move over stuff. Alright, my people, so the floor done you now. Tile drop in. Yeah. So most of it growth up. As you can see, we work on the bathroom at the same time. Yeah, so we put in the cement board them. Yes, so waterproof the corner them. Yes, so we have the bottom for waterproof. Yeah, but all of the tile them drop in. So as I say, floor done. Just like a grouting lift. As I say, we're in a grout. Not the meanwhile and the move over things, so. Yeah, we have like a grouting you know what to do. Yeah, so every class piece is dropping right now. Every child drop in. Yeah, so we just have some growth in we got the right and now. Clean up, finish growth up. Yeah, so as I say, basically there's some little spot for growth out and now. So I want to do some clean up. I want to get rid of all of the growth in first, and then we can clean up. Yeah. So as I say, every tile drop in.
Yes, sir, right there. Yes, man, because I 4 boxes of cat just there coming through. And then now, 2 spot shot. 85 on the loop. Yeah, one. Yeah, man, one more box is good enough for you, yes.
Yeah, so as I say, basically growth in. Yeah. So then tile now for the bathroom. Yeah, so once we grow it up, we show them what go on. Grow it up and clean up. Yeah, so we're on the floor now. So we're kind of do some cleaning up. No wipe off or yet, nor nothing yet. So try clean up the place now. Yeah, so this is how it look like on the floor. As I say, we're going to get a wipe off. You know what? Floor done with. Tile drop in and everything like that. Yeah. Yeah, just to get a little clean up, and we're good to go. Yeah, so we drop in everything on the floor. Everything drop in on the floor. The bathroom. Yeah, but all of the floor tile and drop in. Grow up. As I say, we just have like a cleaning up look on the floor. Yeah, so as I say, we're going to get the floor a final wipe off. Just clean it up. Yeah. But otherwise, floor done with. Alright, my people, so we're done and clean up. Yeah, so please clean up, So we're going to do some packing, We're going to pack some tile and some tin set in. Still left funny. Yes, as I said, we'll clean up. Place look good. Yeah, so this is another bedroom. As I can see, we just wipe it off and thing, you know. Everything look clean and nice. Yes, so it's another job well done. Yeah, we'll put on back the door, them and thing. Yeah, so this is just a one bedroom unit, you know. Nice and sweet down the line. Yeah, so as I said, we're going to pack in some stuff at the same time. Yeah, so you know, pack up with things as I can see. Alright, my peeps, so you don't know it go. Well, I've said big up out to all of the supporters them. Enough respect all the while. Yeah.